Madam Chairperson. I have the honor to make the following statement on behalf of 45 member states as follows: Angola, Bahrain, Belarus, Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, the Central African Republic, China, Comoros, the Congo, the Democratic Republic of Korea, Dominica, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Gabon, Grenada, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, the Islamic Republic of Iran, Iraq, Kiribati, the Lao People's Democratic Republic, Madagascar, the Kingdom of Morocco, Mozambique, Myanmar, Nepal, Nicaragua, Pakistan, the State of Palestine, the Russian Federation, Saudi Arabia, South Sudan, Sri Lanka, the Sudan, the Syrian Arab Republic, the United Republic of Tanzania, Togo, Uganda, the United Arab Emirates, the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela, Yemen, Zimbabwe, and my own country, Cuba.